I get this comment a lot on my What I Eat in a Day vlogs that we don't have structured meal times because we all eat when we're hungry, and that is multiple different times a day.
How dare you, Misha?
How dare I, right? How are you connecting with each other? And I'm like, oh, well, we play outside in the creek. We color together. There's all these activities we do that we bond together over. It's not over food. And the bonds that I do have, like with Beckett over food, are because he's in the kitchen helping me cook. That's where we bond over food, is the activity of cooking and putting our lesson plan into the cooking. Like, here's measurements and, science experiments and things of that nature. And I think people really put a little too much weight on that whole core memories at the dinner table thing. And we're just not sitting at the table, and that's not a bad thing. So if your new way of eating looks new around the dinner table too, that's okay.